All right, guys, we're doing Hit Parade Series 2 basketball cards. So there's 10 hits per box. And you got case hits of Steph Curry, LeBron, Jordan, Kobe. Um, and then those 10 hits, hopefully they're better than what we just pulled out of the football. So here is the rundown for Hit Parade basketball cards. You got Arturo with the Hawks, the Nets, the Hornets, the Nuggets, the Pacers, the Heat, the Magic, and the Suns. Brian G with the Pistons, Clippers, and Sixers. James K with the Rockets, Thunders, and Blazers. Jerry M with the Kings. Kenneth L, you've got the Grizzlies. Lars, you've got the Bucks and the Pelicans. Mark W with the Lakers and Spurs. Michael D, you've got the Celtics. Didn't get payment from you on that. Ronald with the Bulls, Cavs, and Warriors. Sean H with the Mavericks, Timberwolves, Knicks, and Wizards. And then Stephen B, you've got the Toronto Raptors. And then for some reason I forgot to put the Jazz in there, so I'll just hang on to them. Come on, man. You know that card's going to go to the top of your list. You're going to show that off when all your friends come over. Checking out your card collection. Like, dude, I got a Raymond Filial that you guys have to check out. All right, let's see what we can pull out of here. First up for the Trailblazers, we've got Turion Green. On card auto. Never heard of him. Next up, we got a Maurice Ager. Maurice Ager for the Dallas Mavericks. We're 0 for 2 on the guys that I've heard of. All right, dang, I saw Carolina. I thought that was going to be Jordan. We got a Marvin Williams, 176 out of 200. That's an on-card auto, and I have no idea what team that's going to be for. Let me look him up. Dang, so first round draft pick. Nice, his middle name is Gay. Marvin Gaye Williams. So drafted second overall by the Atlanta Hawks. And that is going to be Atlanta Hawk. Played with Atlanta, Utah a couple seasons, now with Charlotte. But majority of his career with the Atlanta Hawks. We pulled some decent stuff out of here, but the last two haven't been too good. All right, we got an Isaiah Thomas insert going to the Pistons. We got J.R. Smith to 275 for the Knicks. Got a Bill Russell insert for the Celtics. All right, and then some relics here. We've got Julian Wright for the Hornets. That's New Orleans. So that'll be a Pelicans hit there. Yeah, these are Hit Parade card boxes. They really do. I mean, you live or die off the case hits. If you hit a case hit, because they've got some nasty cards that are in there. Dude, check this guy out. Is this like a joke? Yuta Taboose. Check this guy out. I get that to focus in. I can't get him to focus. Yuta Taboose. Black diamond jersey going to the Phoenix Suns. There you go. Just does not want to focus. So much gloss on that card. All right, next relic. What do we got here? Quintel Woods for the Trailblazers. Never heard of him. I mean, if you get the case hits, it's worth it. It all comes down to the case hits. We pulled some decent ones out of here when it's not a case hit box, but a lot of them are junk. All right, here we go. We got Tayshaun Prince, Game Materials. I've at least heard of that guy. Nah, for real? He showed his basketball card to the cop. All right, we got Danielle Marshall going to the Cavs. He's in a Raptors jersey, and it's a jersey piece from Toronto, but it's got Cavs on the card, so that's who it's going to go to. How bizarre is that? So since Cavaliers are written on the card, that's who it's going to go to, even though I'm pretty sure they're not purple. That's hilarious. All right, next to last one, we got a Jason Richardson for Golden State. Yeah, these are all buyback cards and stuff that they repackage and then put in their products. All right, and then the last one, we got a Warriors dual relic here, Antoine Jamison and Jason Richardson. And that is it. So that was a little bit better than the football. But not much. At least we don't have any randoms of some CFL players or AFL or whatever that was. All right, so we'll get those cards mailed out to you guys tomorrow. And that's all for Series 2. I've got a couple boxes of Series 3. That's the one that's on the website now. So hopefully we can pull a case hit out of there and make it worth it.